In this episode, you'll learn to create an incident from a critical alert. When multiple related alerts appear or a critical alert needs deeper investigation, you should group them into an incident. From the Alerts tab, click the Alert to escalate. In the Detail panel, click the Create Incident button. A form appears letting you enter the incident title, description, severity, and assign to an analyst. You can link other alerts from the same source to the same incident. After creating, open the Incidents tab to see your new incident. Each incident shows the linked alerts, the timeline of status changes, and analyst notes. Creating incidents focuses the investigation and ensures no important evidence is lost.